Hello friends, I am Prajan Rai and you are watching now Mission Top Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to send email from mobile. If you want to send your email from your mobile phones, you must watch this video until the last how I do this. So first of all, I am going to open my Gmail application. And now, as you can see here in the bottom right side corner, you can see the compose button here. So now I'm going to tap on compose button here and I input recipient email here in two options. So now I'm going to type here recipient email address. If you want to send your email to one recipient account, or you can also send your multiple recipient account, so you can add your multiple recipient email address here like this. And if you want to send your email to multiple recipient account, you can add your multiple recipient account like this, but your email to one recipient account, and you can also remove your another email account like this. And now I'm going to add subject here, test mail, or you can also add your subject what you will send to recipient person. So now I'm going to input subject here, admit card, and now I'm going to input my some opinions here. After successfully fill up the opinions in email area, so now I'm going to attach my admit card photo. After complete my opinions, now I'm going to attach my admit card photo. So for attach my admit card photo, now I'm going to tap here and now I'm going to choose attach file options. Okay, this is my admit card, so now I'm going to choose this. So now I'm going to tap on send icon. Okay, as you can see, my email has been successfully sent to my recipient email address. So I'm going to check this in my sent box. Okay, this is my sent email to one recipient email address. So you can also send your email with attachment to any recipient email address from mobile phone. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will meet with another video. Till the next video. Bye bye. Namaste.